So thank you for coming in, Miss George.
Of course, anything I can do to help.
This should be real quick. We just need your account of what happened this morning.
Yes, of course, anything that you need.
Please start from the beginning and don't leave anything out.
Okay. I got to the bank around 8:50, like a normal day. Xavier's car was in the parking lot. He was on the phone when I walked by his post. He seemed not happy with the person on the other line, so I didn't want to bother him. I started talking to Roxy as we set up our stations. Then Xavier joined us.
Who was Xavier talking to, and what were you talking about to Roxy?
I'm honestly not sure who he was on the phone with, but they seemed shady. Roxy was talking about her weekend plans, nothing big. Then a guy walked in and put a gun to Xavier's head. It was terrifying, and I wasn't the one with a gun to my head.
I bet that you must have been terrified.
I mean, it's okay. I'm safe now. That's all that matters.
If you need, we can take a break.
I mean, no, I want to help.
All right, as long as you are sure.
I am. Anyway, the other guy went straight to Mr. Lighthouse and started yelling at him. Lighthouse said that he didn't have both the keys. That was the last thing that I heard because we were all escorted into the back storage room.
Did anything else happen?
Yeah, a few minutes later, Lighthouse came in to get a key from Xavier. Then a few minutes after that, Lighthouse joined us in the storage room.
How did you get out?
We heard the door unlock and they told us to count to 20.
That was it?
Yeah, and the cop showed up like 30 seconds later.
Well, thank you for coming in. We will be in touch if you need anything else.